You know, fam, or a bit of a subject when it comes to wheel swaps with a friend on there talking about a particular casting. And I was telling him that's the one I wheel swapped. And got that version of it. Pretty cool. I don't know if we'll do a similar mag wheel setup like that, or definitely looking for a certain type look on these. I love the casting. I'm not too crazy about the tampons on there. I don't mind the white on it. However, bunch of different castings I'd love to modify. Even the lightning was widening out the wheels, and I thought they was well suited now. So, anyway, something for fun.